Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, retrieve the exact recovery key you saved and keep a secondary device nearby. Once done, open the service's recovery page and choose the option to use a recovery key. You do this because the key is the only cryptographic proof tied to your account. Passwords won't work. Make sure the key is undamaged and legible. If you have the key as a file, move it to the secondary device for secure entry. Do not paste it into public or shared apps. You now enter the key carefully. Type or import the full string character for character. Once entered, expect additional verification such as a PIN or device confirmation. Follow those prompts because they confirm your session and complete the cryptographic exchange. If the system shows partial matches or check some feedback, pause and recheck the key visually. Make sure to disable autocorrect and avoid copying from screenshots that may trim characters. After submission, you will get an account restore token or immediate access, depending on the service. You finish by confirming access and updating your password and backup methods right away. This stops old credentials from being useful. Once access is restored, generate and store a fresh recovery key in 2 separate secure locations. If the recovery attempt fails, don't repeatedly retry. Instead, verify the key's integrity. Check for transcription errors or file corruption. If problems persist, contact support but never share the recovery key itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.